Spin your gears, understanding an English idiom. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, spin your gears. This phrase is not just about bikes or cars. It's a colorful expression used in everyday English. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, spin your gears, typically means to engage in an activity or thought process that is mentally stimulating or challenging. It's like saying, get your brain working, or start thinking hard. This idiom is often used to encourage someone to think more deeply about a problem or situation. Understanding the origins of idioms can make them easier to remember. Spin your gears likely comes from the imagery of gears turning in a machine. Just like gears need to spin for a machine to work, our brain needs to be active for us to solve problems or come up with ideas. Let's see how spin your gears is used in everyday language. 1. In a brainstorming session, we need some fresh ideas for the project. Let's spin our gears and think outside the box. 2. Encouraging creativity. If you're feeling stuck, try something new to spin your gears and get inspired. 3. In education, this puzzle is a bit challenging. It will really spin your gears. There are similar phrases you might hear. Get your wheels turning. This also means to start thinking or engaging in a problem-solving process. Rack your brain. This means to think very hard or try to remember something. And that's a wrap on Spin Your Gears. We hope this video has spun your gears and helped you understand this intriguing English idiom. Remember, learning idioms can be fun and can add flavor to your language skills. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to use them in your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.